Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all enjoyed all the videos for the month of April, and thank you for your lovely response on my videos. Do let me know in the comment section below which video was your favorite one or which one helped you the most. And I wanted to share one more thing with you guys, that for the month of May I will not be able to upload any video because I have some more important work on my priority list. But in June I will be back with some amazing content. And so till my next video, take care and bye bye.